Welcome dear children, welcome to another video session. In this video, we will do the summary of chapter 10, Our Shelter. All of us have shelter, right? We all live in our houses. Have you ever thought the importance of these houses or shelters? What kind of shelter does early human beings used? Yes, we have found answers for all these questions in our interactive sessions. We have discussed about different varieties of houses and unusual houses. We have seen some kind of unusual houses, and also what are the qualities of a good house and why it is important to keep our houses clean, safe and free from insects and rodents. So all these we have discussed during our interactive session. Let us discuss the mind map of the chapter 10, Our Shelter. In the first section of the chapter, we have discussed the term shelter. Shelter is a place which protects us from extreme weather condition or keep us safe from any kind of danger. So our homes or the houses we live in, it protects us from the extreme weather condition and keep us safe from the external dangers. Next, we have discussed the difference between a house and a home. A house becomes a home when we live together with our family members. Next, we have discussed the various factors which decides the type of houses we construct. And most important among that is the climate of the place. When we say climate, we can see houses built in different regions differs based on the climate of the place. For example, if we take a mountain region like Himachal Pradesh or Kashmir, you can see most of the houses, they are made out of wood or stone. Also, they have sloping roof. So the places of having heavy snowfall, they have sloping roof in order to allow the snow to slide down. Even you can see houses with sloping roof in the areas of heavy rainfall, so that the rainwater does not log on the roof. And when you go to desert regions, you can see houses built with flat roof and thick walls. This will keep the house cool during summer season. And areas of floods, they build stilt houses, that means little bit elevated houses. Then other factors which determines the types of houses are materials available in our surroundings and the amount of that money that we can spend on the house, also the individual preferences and individual taste. Next, we have seen different types of houses. There can be permanent houses and temporary houses. Permanent houses are houses where we live for a long period of time, whereas temporary houses, they are built for a short-term purpose. We live there for only a few months or days. Next, we have seen kacha and pakka houses. Kacha houses are small houses that are built mainly of natural materials like wood or clay, etc. These kind of houses can be mainly found in villages, whereas pakka houses, they are made out of bricks, cement, concrete or steel, even glass. So these kind of houses we can see in towns and cities. Next, we have seen some of the unusual houses like igloos or caravans, long houses, teepees, yurt. All these are examples for unusual houses. Next, we have seen what are the qualities of a good house. We have discussed 3 points here. They are safety, ventilation. Good ventilation it should provide, or it should allow good air and light to pass through, and cleanliness. So safety, cleanliness and ventilation, they are the main 3 qualities of a good house. Next, in the last section of the chapter, we have seen different pets and what we call their shelters for. We have also seen the importance of keeping the house clean and hygienic, safe from, how we can keep the house safe from insects and rodents. So these are few of the points we have discussed in the chapter. So children, that is a mind map all about. Dear children, hope this video helped you to get the summary of chapter 10, Our Shelter. We'll see you all during our interactive sessions. Thank you for watching.